right, I'm gonna run this guy in the meantime. Well, you guys figure the fuck out. Mic ready.
Well,
So during the unload it starts, what I like to do is I like to draw my pistol, check my dot, make sure that it's on, bring it back to the holster. Just kind of go through the process. It's also a practice draw.
That one, I think he was right there.
Are you ready?
yes, sir.
When I got
Stand by.
far back one there, I think I was already transitioning over here when I took the shot.
It'll get us by.
Shit.
They're finished. Unload and show clear. If clear, hammer down. Holster. Range is clear. 3356. 3356.